These are the owners of the Hilton.
Right this way. This one going off. This going off. Trader Vic's? No, this one. This only goes to Nicholas and Trader Vic's. Okay. Where are you going? Nicholas? If we're going Trader Vic's, it will go down to Trader Vic's. Guys, it's going down to Trader Vic's, right here. Express goes down to Trader Vic's first, and you guys are going to Nicholas, right? After they go to Trader Vic's, so you just press in off when they get off, right?
Well, that's where we went. We went to NR first.
Yeah, we get up over
We get up here.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
We go for that short.
These things run like shit. What floor?
Going up?
No. Oh, can't.
It said,
Oh, it does. I thought this was Nikolai's. My bad.
I've already been down twice trying to go to the top.
You're going to Nikolai's?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is going up.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got Nikolai selected. Yeah, I thought this was Nikolai's for some reason. My bad.
Well, I got up to about 22 and then it started going down.
Yeah, these things have a weird controller. I'm just doing a video. The view's nice.
Fun.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Have fun. Thank you.
God, those doors. Ooh, man. Switch here. These are the service elevators at the Hilton in Atlanta. Just gonna take these up to like 23.